The error message, web page not available, net error_empty_response, indicates that the OLA Help Center web page is not responding or returning any data. This could be due to a variety of reasons, such as 1. Temporary server overload. The OLA Help Center server may be experiencing high traffic or temporary technical difficulties, causing it to be unresponsive. 2. Internet connectivity issues. Your internet connection may be unstable or experiencing disruptions, preventing you from accessing the web page. 3. Website maintenance. OLA may be performing maintenance or updates on their Help Center website, causing temporary downtime. 4. Incorrect URL. The URL you provided, https://help. olacabs.com/self_serve/v1, might be incorrect or have a typo. To troubleshoot this error and fix the OLA app error, try the following steps. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and strong internet connection. Try restarting your Wi-Fi router or connecting to a different network. 2. Verify the URL. Double-check the URL you are trying to access. Make sure there are no typos or extra characters. 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, cached data or cookies can interfere with website loading. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies to see if that resolves the issue. 4. Try a different browser. Sometimes, the issue might be with the specific browser you are using. Try opening the OLA Help Center web page in a different browser, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. 5. Contact OLA customer support. If the issue persists, contact OLA customer support for further assistance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting steps or check for any server-side issues. Here are some additional tips to prevent encountering the web page not available. Net error_empty_response error. 1. Keep your browser up to date. Regularly update your web browser to ensure you have the latest security patches and bug fixes. 2. Use a reliable internet connection. Use a stable Wi-Fi network or ensure you have a strong mobile data connection for optimal browsing experience. 3. Avoid accessing websites during peak hours. Heavy usage during peak hours can sometimes strain website servers, leading to temporary glitches. 4. Report issues promptly. If you encounter any errors, report them to OLA customer support so they can investigate and address the underlying cause. By following these tips, you can help to prevent encountering the web page not available, net error_empty_response error and maintain a smooth browsing experience. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Techsor for more videos.